Wow, eighth period. You guys are my favorite eighth period this year. Can you believe that? Hey, check out this sweet, sweet joke worksheet that's coming around your way right now. We're gonna do some of these problems together, get you started, and then you guys can work in groups and get it in the bin before you leave, okay? So, go to number 2. First thing we gotta do, step 1 is to distribute when you got distribution. I do have it here. I got 2/3 times this stuff. Remember, if you are multiplying a fraction by a whole number, you multiply the whole number by the numerator and then divide by the denominator. So 9 times 2 is 18, divided by 3 gives you 6. So this becomes 6a. Minus 15 times 2 is 30, divided by 3 is 10. So this should be our next line of work. Cute, there's no more fractions anymore. Nice. And then we just go through our steps. Oh, minus 10. How do we get rid of minus 10? Plus 10, that's right. 14 plus 10, 24. Over here, these cancel out. We just got 6a. Now remember, 6a means 6 times a. So how do we get rid of that? How do we undo multiplication? Good job. Divide by 6. 24 divided by 6, yeah, it's 4. All right, okay, no big deal. 4 equals a. Look for that answer on the back. See which letter goes with that. And then on the blank for number 2 on the original, fill in that letter. Oh, you're gonna love this joke. All right, let's try one more. Well, we got a couple more. Number 9. Now this has decimals, and there was a way that you could clear out decimals. I'm not kidding you. Just use the decimals. Keep it how it is. You'll save yourself a step, okay? So I got like 6 minutes until you guys actually come here on Wednesday. This is in the past, this video. So I'll skip this one for now, just for time's sake. All right, 5 is weird. I do want to go over this one because we kind of haven't gone over one like this, and we will next week, but I want to make sure I go over this with you, and this is the only one on the sheet that does this. We got to distribute first. 2/5 times 25. 25 times 2 is 50, divided by 5 is 10. 40 times 2 is 80, divided by 5 is 16. Now 1/4 times stuff, we've got 16 times 1 is 16, divided by 4 is 4. And 8 times 1 is 8, divided by 4 is 2. Now again, we haven't had this yet in class, where we have b's on both sides of the equation. So remember, equations are like balanced. So if I have 10 b's on this side and 4 b's on this side, how many more are on this side? There's 6 more over here. So the way you could get rid of 4b is to actually subtract 4 b's from both sides. We'll keep it level that way. Because what's 4b minus 4b? 0. Those are gone. We got 2 over here. Now on this side I got 10b minus 4b, that's 6b. We got the minus 16 still. And now we're back to a 2-step equation. Minus 16, how do we get rid of it? Plus 16. 6b equals 18. I don't want 6b, that's 6 times b. How do we get rid of the 6? Divide it. b equals 3. Figure out the letter that corresponds with that. Throw it on the front in that blank. All right, number 11. And this might be the last one we do. Let me double check. Yeah, this will be the last one we do. we got to get it all in proper. So that 15 2/3 is the googly part. So remember, you do 3 times 15, which is 45, plus 2 is 47. Remember, when we want to clear all the fractions, we got to multiply by a common denominator. So it's got to be something that 9 can go into and 3 can go into. You can use 27. You could use 81. But I'm going to go with the smallest number I can, which is 9. Because 3 goes into 9, and so does 9. Remember, if you are multiplying by the same thing that's in the denominator, it just cancels out. So this 9 and this 9 cancels out, so we got 8x minus 9 times 1 is 9, divided by 3 is 3. I don't know what 9 times 47 is. I got a calc, but remember, we could do it backwards too. How many 3's go into 9? 3. 3 times 47, 141? Yeah, 141. All right, minus 3, what do you think? Plus 3, good. 8x equals a bone 44. I don't want 8 x's, I just want one of them. So we divide by 8. Let's try it without a calc. 144 divided by 8. 8 goes into 14 one time. 6, 4. 8 goes into 64 8 times. So we got x equals 18. Be good. Turn in your work into the bin before you leave, and make sure the zones are cleaned up, the desks are moved back. I'll see you guys on Monday.